Bonjour, bienvenue à tous. In my French learning journey after greetings and partings, I thought the next natural step is introduction. Because let's face it, whenever we meet someone new, one of the first things we do is introduce ourselves. So today I will share the two versions I have been practicing, the formal introduction and the casual one.
This is what you would say in polite situation like meeting a teacher, during an interview, or in a professional setting. Bonjour, je m'appelle Dion, j'ai 25 ans, je viens d'Indonésie, je suis étudiant en champ de faire votre connaissance. Je m'appelle Dion literally translates to I call myself Dion. In French, that's the natural way to say my name is Dion. J'ai 25 ans. J'ai 25 ans might look old at first. Literally, it means I have 25 years. But in French, age is expressed with the verb avoir, or to have in English, not using être or to be. Je viens d'Indonésie means I come from Indonesia. You can also say Je suis Indonesian to state your nationality. And then je suis étudiant, which means I am a student. You can change étudiant depending on your job or role, like je suis professeur, which means I am a teacher maybe. And then on Sean, de faire votre connaissance. This one is a very polite, like pleased to make your acquaintance. It's not something you would use with friends, but perfect in formal setting. Now, let's look at the casual version. This is what you would use with friends, classmates, or in an informal situation. Salut, moi c'est Tion, j'ai 25 ans, je viens d'Indonésie, je suis étudiant, ravi de te rencontrer. Salut is a very common greeting. It can mean hi or bye depending on the context. And then, moi c'est Dion is a relaxed way of saying I'm Dion. It's almost like introduce yourself with I'm Dion, by the way. And then, ravi de te rencontrer is the casual version of nice to meet you. The word te here makes it informal, used with people you already know on friendly basis or with peers. So, to recap, there are two simple ways to introduce yourself in French. The formal version with bonjour, je m'appelle, and so on. And the casual version with salut, moi c'est, and so on. Both are useful and practicing them makes conversation flow more naturally. Merci beaucoup for watching and as always, au revoir et à bientôt.